Hey, good morning, Juno. A beautiful day. Morning, Juno. Labas tayo ngayon, pupunta tayo ng glacier and mag-iikot-ikot tayo. Tara, sama kayo sa akin and tingnan natin ang beauty ng Juno. So, andito tayo ng 3 araw and this is the second day of my stay in Baranof Hotel, Juneau, Alaska. See you later.
Of course, before anything else, hindi natin makakalimutan ang breakfast. This is my favorite meal of the day.
Yogurt.
So from downtown, you need to pay $5 for the bus going to Mendenhall Glacier. So from the last bus stop, you will walk half mile going to Mendenhall Glacier. Yan, dire-diretsuhin mo yan, lalakarin mo yan. That's the location of the bus stop. So, you know, amaze na amaze ako sa lugar dito. Napakatahimik. This is the sign na malapit na tayo. Grabe yung mga tree dito, no? Ang tataas, para talaga nasa forest.
We're walking half mile from the bus stop and just to see the glacier in Juneau. There. We try to go near and see the amazing view of the glacier. See you.
Ayan na yung sign na malapit na tayo. Kitang-kita na natin yung glacier. If you're planning to visit Juneau, you need at least half day to make it in Mendenhall Glacier. Sobrang layo.
Ang view. Unti-unti natin nakikita ang view. Beautiful. If we're gonna see a bear, this is the place where we can see a bear.
Imagine walking to this beautiful lake. You know, I just see this only in the movies.
Nakarating na tayo, so I just need a good location to take a photo and video. Ito yung lugar papunta sa glacier, sa mas malapit. And medyo konting trail pero mukhang maganda. Alright, see you guys. Half mile of walk. We arrived at Mendenhall Glacier.
Grabe, napakasulit ng nilakad ko. Sobrang worth it ng view. 'Di ba? This is their souvenir shop, so bumili tayo ng sticker for remembrance. So this is the information and history, evidence written in stone. So my third contract is nice because, you know, I get the chance to stay in Juneau, Alaska for 4 days. And you can see this majestic view of Mendenhall Glacier. So sa 3 days and 2 nights of waiting, nagplano ako to go here just to see what Juneau can offer the tourists. It's nice because you cannot see this every day. Kaya pala, ang daming nabalik dito na guests. Every Alaska cruise, they keep on coming back here. So the season starts like May until September or first week of October. So we have Juneau, Alaska, we have Skagway, we have Ketchikan, and 1 Glacier Bay and 2 sea days. So total of 7 nights, Vancouver to Vancouver. So that's cruise is 2024. The cost will be like $86 per night, so total of $600. Some of them, they have a promo like $500 for that 7-day cruise.
We will go there near in the Glacier Bay in the falls. And yes, this is the view.
So may mga nagkakayak din, no, papunta ng Glacier Bay, para sobrang lapit nila. Nakikita mo kulay blue. Grabe. Hindi mga nasa 100 years na yung yellow na yan. Natunaw na natunaw. Hanggang sa lumiit na. Dati malaki daw yan eh. So nakikita nyo yung falls na yun. Mamaya pagpunta tayo doon. Nakakatuwa lang kasi nakapunta tayo dito for free. Dahil nag-work tayo sa cruise ship. Diba? Daming benefits.
It's beautiful, Mendenhall Glacier.
But then I'm gonna go back because it's actually really cute.
Alright, I'm in the Mendenhall Glacier. Back in Juneau. See you around.
I guess I picked it on purpose.
Pating na tayo ngayon dito sa picture point ng glacier dito sa Mendenhall. And this is nice. Nice view, nice trail. I walk like almost a mile and a half. Medyo nakakapagod pero satisfying yung view. Very beautiful. Look at the falls. Dito lang yan sa Juneau, Alaska. Let's go!